Hi everybody, this is Franco Sanfagnini, one of your professors in Language 1 chair, and today I'm going to give you a couple of pieces of advice on how to do your dictionary work better. There are two important points in this presentation. The first one is the types of dictionaries that you have at your disposal. In this video we're going to concentrate on the monolingual dictionary. And number two, important details to take into account in a search. It's always important, as I usually say in class, that you concentrate on the three main dimensions of language. That is to say, grammar, language itself, and pronunciation. So, if we concentrate on one of the many possibilities of the dictionaries that you can consult, today we're going to analyze the case of Cambridge Online Dictionary. If you type Cambridge Online Dictionary on Google, you will automatically get this URL. You can see it here. The first thing, I have looked up the word language. The first thing that you can see is that after the word, try to take into account the spelling. That's also very, very important in language. And I automatically concentrate on what comes next, which is the grammar of the word. In this case, the grammar tells me that it's a noun and that it can work either as a countable noun or as an uncountable noun. And then after that we have the possibility to listen. If we click on these icons,
language,
we have the possibility to see how the word is pronounced in different accents. The first one, UK, is the British accent, and the second one, the US, is the North American English accent. You will study them in the future. After taking a look at the spelling, the grammar, and the pronunciation of the word, we now can take a look at the definition. Remember that the definitions in a dictionary are called entries, and in general the first one you have is the most frequently used meaning of the word. So here you have the definition, and what's important, apart from concentrating on what the word means, is that you can take a look at the examples in real, actual use that you have there. And after that, if you take a look at, if you go downwards, you have the thesaurus thing, which is a dictionary for synonyms and antonyms or related words. I think that you also have the possibility, if you later try thesaurus, to have the definition too. After that, you can take a look at the second definition of the word if you continue going downwards, and you can also concentrate on how you use the word countable or uncountable. Apart from that, if you go downwards, you can see all the other verbs that can be used with that word. Learn a language, understand a language, speak or use a language, and you also have the possibility of seeing how this word works when it's used in other types of contexts, such as the IT context or the communications context. The word may take on different meanings. So, after taking all these details into consideration, you can also remember that you have the possibility of changing the language or the types of dictionary here. You might want to see how a word is translated into Spanish or from Spanish into English, and then of course if you leave it like this, you can use it in a monolingual way, which is what you would like to use every single time. So I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough, and you can consult us whenever you want to. Later